Hello everyone and welcome to our video. Today we are going to introduce the 17T project of the Elecrow Crowtail STEAM Edu Kit for Microbit Kit Magnetic Field Detector. How to make a magnetic field detector using a magnetic switch. To light up an LED to alert you when a magnetic field is detected nearby. In this project, we will learn how to use a Microbit to connect to a magnetic switch and program the LEDs to light up. In this project, we need to prepare the following components, where the magnetic switch module is a Hall effect or reed switch-based sensor that detects changes in the magnetic field and changes its output state when it detects a magnetic field. Next, we will start writing the program. Open the MakeCode programming interface and follow the steps below. Create a variable magnetism to store the state of the magnetic switch. When the magnetic switch detects a magnet, the LED will light up. Once the program is complete, download the program to your Microbit and then approach the magnetic switch with a magnet to see what happens. In addition, a challenge task is provided, no entry. In this task, you can try to make a door alarm system using the Microbit, magnetic switch, and buzzer. You can build your circuit based on the circuit diagram below. The buzzer will sound an alarm when someone enters the room without permission. I hope you have learned how to use Microbit for security monitoring through this project. We will continue to explore more interesting projects with Microbit next time. If you like this video, please like, follow, and share it. We'll see you in the next installment. Thank you.